Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is significant digits and scientific notation. The first topic is significant digits. Significant digits. In arithmetic, when we use a number 12, we mean exactly 12, neither less nor more. But we have seen that measurements are seldom exact. They are mostly approximate. The digits in a number that denote the accuracy of the measurement are called significant digits. By accuracy, we mean the nearness of a measurement to its actual value. For example, the value of a bird with weight of 2.400 kg is more accurate than a weight of 2 kg. There are some numbers and their significant digits. The first number is 84. It has two significant digits, 8 and 4. The other number is 840. 840. It has also two significant digits. The last digit 0 is non-significant number. The third value is 840.0. 840.0 has three significant numbers. The last 0 after the decimal point is not significant. The other number is a 0.84. It has also two significant numbers because the 0 following the decimal point are not significant. The other number is 0.084. It has also two significant digits. There are some rules for significant digits. The first is zeros on the extreme left or right of a number are not significant because they are used simply to locate the decimal point. Zeros are always significant when they occur within a series of significant digits. For example, 50.7 has three significant digits and 0.2003 has four significant digits. The next rule is zeros are significant if they follow a decimal point and conclude a number. For example, 5.700 has four significant digits. The next rule is zeros are non-significant when they follow a decimal point but commence a number. For example, 0.05 has one significant digit and 0.0084 has two significant digits. Students, this is your home assignment. Exercise question. Question number 1.5. Do all parts. The next topic is scientific notations. Sometimes confusion arises whether the zeros before or after the decimal point are significant or not. In such a situation, we can easily tell which of the zeros are significant and which are not by means of what is called scientific notation. In scientific notation, every number is written as a number multiplied by a power of 10. For example, the number 40 is written as 4 into 10 or 4 into 10 raised to power 1. The other number is 400. 4 multiplied by 100 or 4 into 10 raised to power 2. The other number is 3401 is written as 3.41 into 1000 or 3.41 into 10 raised to power 3. There are some numbers and their scientific notation. The number is 1535. is written as 1.535 into 10 raised to power 3. The number is 127 and it is written as 1.27 into 10 raised to power 2. 310 is written as 3.1 into 10 raised to power 2. 31 is written as 3.1 into 10 raised to power 1. 4.01 is written as 4.70 into 10 raised to power 0 or 4.70 into 1. The other number is 0.242247 is written as 2.47 into 10 raised to power minus 1. The next number is 0.035 and it is written as 3.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. 0.0072 it is written as 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. There are some rules for scientific notations. When power of 10 is positive, it has the effect of moving the decimal point to the right by as many places as the power of 10. For example, 2.541 into 10 raised to power 2 means 2.541 with decimal point moved 2 places to the right, that is 254.1. The other rule is when the power of 10 is negative, it has the effect of moving the decimal point to the left by as many places as the power of 10. For example, 2.4351 into 10 raised to power minus 3 means 2.4351 with decimal point move 3 places to the left, that is 0.0024351. Students, this is your home assignment, exercise on page 29, question number 1.6, do all parts, and question number 1.7, all parts are included.